Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. I am going to explain how this star design is done by using Python Turtle graphics. This design is done by using the code, this code. I will show you how it is happening. The first line, import turtle as t, that is importing turtle as t. This t is given for easiness, that is after this first line we are using t instead of turtle in all the lines where we need turtle. Okay, the second line, t dot pen down, that is pen is downing to start the draw. Then t dot speed 0, that is turtle speed we set as 0. Turtle moves with maximum speed by giving the value 0. Then pen size set as 2, that is the size of these lines, that is the thickness of this line, which is defined as 2. We can change that to any value, 1, 2, 3, etc. Then the design itself will show some changes. You can experiment on that. Also, the next line is t dot color blue. Actually that line was not needed, I forgot to remove that. Anyway, the first line here it took as blue, but it will not affect since the color is changing here. Okay, then for I in range 250, that is a for loop which have 250 iterations. That is, this for loop takes value, I takes value from 0 to 250, sorry 0 to 249, that is total 250 iterations. Then again one more for loop is there. Instead of I, here we use colors, and range, instead of a number we defined 8 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eight colors. Then actually by having 2 for loops, the line drawing purpose will do 250 into 8, that is 2000 times. That is, this 3-line code 8, 9, 10 will work for 2000 times. In this 3-line, t dot color colors, that is by the line 8 we are selecting the color. First we select red, then it will forward 2 into I, forward 2 into I, that means 2 first while taking 0 value, 2 into I, 2 into 0, that is 0, no movement happens. Then by taking I value as 1, then 2 into I, 2, that forward 2, just 2 units forward. Then it takes value I 3, then 2 into I 6, takes value as 6, like that it go forward. At the same time, after drawing a line, it shift left 150 degree. That is 10th line defines t dot left 150 degree. It shift left. Then after this, it takes another color and do this procedure again, and takes another color, do this procedure again, take the next color and do the same procedure. And after completing this all 8 colors, then it goes to the upper for loop and changes the value of I. Then again repeat the same procedure. Like that it happens. Then after doing all this, we will get this figure shown here. After completing all this for loop, just I have given t dot forward 500, that is 11th line. That is just for finishing a line after completing. That is, I have given 500 since the final value actually I takes value 249, right? 249 into 2 here, forward 2 into I, then 498 actually the final line based on this for loop is 448. Then next line also I am drawing by using this line of code, the 11th line, t dot forward 500. After that, t dot exit on click, that is used for closing this Python turtle graphic tab. Just by clicking here, this one will get closed. For that line is used. Anyway, I am clicking on it, then it will close. Okay. just I will show it is executing. Just the starting of the execution only. It will take time. That's why I am not showing it fully. To execute it, we need to actually the file name is colorstar.py. okay, Python colorstar.py. Then by entering, it will start. You can see how it is drawing. It is drawing with the different colors. When it completes, then we will get the picture which we have shown earlier. Okay, anyway, I am stopping this one. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my video channel to get more such good codes. Thank you.